We've previously looked at how we would complete the square on an expression like this one, and in particular we've only looked at cases where the x squared coefficient, in other words the number in front of the x squared, is 1. But what would we do if we had an expression like this? Well, the good news is, with the inclusion of one preliminary step, we can use the methods that we've already learnt. What we're going to do is factorise out the number that's in front of the x squared term, in this case 2. So we're going to take 2 out as a factor of all of the terms in the expression, and I'll show you what I mean. And hopefully you can see that this expression is equivalent to this expression. If I was to multiply out these brackets, I would get 2x squared plus 12x plus 10. And the great thing is now we know how to complete the square when the expression is like this. And I'm going to do just that separately using the method that we looked at in the previous video. I'm going to start my bracket off and add half the number that's in front of the x term. So in this case half of plus 6 is plus 3. I'll square that and subtract from that the square of this number, and then bring the plus 5 down. I can tidy this up. And so I can see that this expression and this expression are equivalent. So in other words, I can now replace the x squared plus 6x plus 5 with this completed square form, and I'm going to do that. And then this is correct, but you might like to expand these brackets out, this bracket out in turn, by multiplying the 2 with this bracket and also the minus 4. So I'm going to multiply these terms here to give me and we're done.